Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your LMC version and that you have admin or config permissions so changes will apply. Once done, validate the file format and schema. Use JSON or YAML and keep size under limits. Make a backup of the active configuration and record which environment is targeted. This prevents accidental production changes. Now open the LMC console, navigate to Configuration Import, and select the prepared file to initiate the apply sequence. You now upload and validate the file inside LMC. Select the target environment and enable a dry run or validation mode to preview changes without committing them. Review validation logs closely. Fix any schema or dependency errors and re-upload. While validating, map runtime variables and confirm secret references point to the correct vault entries. Make sure endpoint URLs and service accounts are accurate because mismatches cause runtime failures. Once clean, prepare to apply with a scheduled window if affecting production. Apply the file during a maintenance window and watch the LMC task status and real-time logs. This shows progression and immediate errors. After apply completes, run smoke tests and compare key metrics to the baseline to ensure desired behavior. If you see anomalies, trigger the rollback using the backup you made earlier and escalate with collected logs. One key troubleshooting tip: if the apply stalls, check for lock files or concurrent deployments, and clear them before retrying to avoid partial state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.